Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. We are looking at the information about a triangle in order to solve for their angle measurements and finding the variables within that. So this is coming from CPM course 3, and this is section 9.1.4, number 9-49. It says, use what you know about angles in a triangle to find x in each of the diagrams below. Show all your work. Then it says to classify each triangle as acute, right, or obtuse. So first of all, acute, I'm just going to talk about these. Acute means that all angles are less than 90 degrees. That's what acute means, right? Right means that we have one angle equal to 90 degrees. That's a right triangle. Obtuse, what is obtuse? Obtuse means, so acute was all angles are less than 90 degrees. One angle equals 90 is right. For obtuse, one angle is greater than 90 degrees. That's an obtuse angle. Okay. So we're going to solve for x first, then classify each of them. So for this one, what do I know? I know that the angles, all three angles of a triangle, always add up to be 180. So the sum, so x, which is that angle, plus 80 plus 40 has to equal 180. Okay. So the sum of the angles of a triangle always equal 180. So solving this question for x, you get x plus 120 equals 180. So if I subtract 120 from both sides, I end up with x is equal to 60. So I know that that angle is a 60-degree angle. So to classify this, I look to see all three of those angles are less than 90 degrees, so that would make it acute. So A is acute, is an acute triangle, and X is 60. So there's A. B, once again, I'm going to create my equation, 2X plus 96 plus X plus 12, that is equal to 180. So there's my equation for that one. Solving that, if I combine like terms, I get 3x, because that's a 1x, right? 3x plus, that becomes 108, is equal to 180. Subtract 108 from both sides. I get 3x is equal to 72. Divide both sides by 3. X equals 24. So that's x is 24, but now that's not my angle per se, because I got to take that x now and plug it back in. So this angle here would actually equal 48 degrees, right? Because 2 times 24 is 48. And then this angle here, that whole angle there, would equal 24 plus 12, which is 36 degrees. So those are my angle measurements based on the expressions that represented them. So now I look to see, is this obtuse, right, or acute? So if I think about it, I got one angle. I have one angle that's greater than 90. So that means that this is obtuse. So it's an obtuse triangle. Those angle measurements after solving for x. Okay, there we go.